Myself MGV Sai Teja. I am pursuing second year BTech in VVITU from EC department bearing roll number 24BQ1A04A2. Today my seminar topic is about Boolean algebra. What is Boolean algebra? Boolean algebra is branch of mathematics that deals with variables have only two values, 1 true and 0 false. It is commonly used in applications like electronics, digitals. It takes only two values, 1 and 0. The basic operations are and, or, not. The common applications of Boolean algebra is designing logic gates and digital circuits and database search queries, etc. like. In this Boolean algebra, we discussed about the laws like associative law, commutative law, identity law, inverse elements, identity elements, like that. The first law is commutative law. If set satisfy commutative law, then it follows a plus b equal to b plus a into b equal to b into a. Let us consider an example. If a equal to 0 and b equal to 1, then it follows a plus b equal to 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Then b plus a equal to 1 plus 0 equal to 1. LHS equal to RHS. Then it is verified. If we also take a into b equal to b into a, 1 into 0 equal to 0 into 1, that equal to 0, then it satisfies commutative law. In this example, we explain commutative law. In Boolean algebra, associative law states that grouping of variables does not affect on the operations. Then we discuss if set satisfy associative law, then it follows a plus into b plus c of equal to a plus b of plus c. Then in multiplication, a into of b into c equal to of a into b into c. Let us take an example. If a equal to 0, comma, b equal to 1 and c equal to 1, a into of b c equal to 0 into 1 into 1 equal to 0. A into b of into c equal to 0 into 1 into 1, that equal to 0. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Therefore associative law is verified. In Boolean algebra, the inverse element is related to the complement. If we consider a plus a complement equal to 1, then a complement equal to 1 by a into a complement equal to 0, then these elements are called inverse element. In Boolean algebra, the distributive law states that and or operations distributive over each other. If set satisfy distributive law, then it follows a plus of b into c equal to a plus b into a plus c, and a into b plus c equal to a into b plus a into c. Let us take an example. If a equal to 1, b equal to 0 and c equal to 0, a into b plus c equal to 1 into 0 plus 1 equal to 1. A into b plus a into c equal to 1 into 0 plus 1 into 1, that equal to 1. LHS equal to RHS. Distributive law is verified. In Boolean algebra, identity law states that what happens when a variable combined with identity element. If a plus I equal to a, if a into I equal to a, then these are called identity elements. Let us consider an example. If we take a plus 0 equal to a into 1 equal to a, identity elements, these are called identity elements. Idempotent law. If a plus a equal to a, if u are a variable, then the result is also a variable. If a dot a equal to a, example, if a equal to 0, a plus a equal to 0 plus 0, that equal to 0, a into a equal to 0 into 0, that equal to 0. Idempotent, then this law is called idempotent law. De Morgan law is a very important law in Boolean algebra and set theory. It states that How negotiation is interacted with and or operator. Let us consider a plus b whole complement equal to a complement into b complement. A into b whole complement equal to a complement plus b complement. These laws are called De Morgan's law. Let us consider an example. If a equal to 0, comma b equal to 1. First example, a plus b whole complement equal to 0 plus 1 whole complement, that equal to 0. 0 complement into 1 complement equal to 1 into 0, that equal to 0. Therefore, so LHS equal to RHS. De Morgan's law is verified. From the above laws are classified into N form and R form. First, identity law. 1A equal to A. In R form, 0 plus A equal to 0. Null law. In N form, 0A equal to 0. In R form, 1 plus A equal to 1. Idempotent law in N form. A into A equal to A. Idempotent law in R form. A plus A equal to A. Inverse law in AND form. A into A bar equal to 0. Inverse in R form. A plus A bar equal to 1. Commutative law in AND form. AB equal to BA. Commutative law in R form. A plus B equal to B plus A. Associative law in AND form. A B into C equal to A into BC. Associative law in R form. A plus B plus C equal to A plus of B plus C. Distributive law in AND form. A plus B C equal to A plus B into A plus C. Distributive law in R form. A of B plus C equal to AB plus AC. Absorption law in AND form. A of A plus B equal to A. Absorption law in R form. A plus AB equal to A. De Morgan's law in AND form. A B whole bar equal to A bar plus B bar. De Morgan's law in R form. A plus B whole bar equal to A bar into B bar. The basic applications of Boolean algebra. First, digital electronics and logic circuit design. In Boolean algebra is used to design and simplify digital circuits like AND, OR, NOT, NAND, NOR, XOR, XNOR. Example, designing an adder, multiplexer or CPU logic. It helps reduce the number of gates, saving cost, power and space. Computer programming and algorithms. Boolean expressions are used in conditional statements if, while, for. Example, Java. Boolean algebra optimizes these conditions. In search engines and database, Boolean logic is used in search queries, Google, SQL. Example, searching. In database, computer architecture used in ALU, arithmetic logic unit, control units and memory addressing. Example, addition, subtraction, multiplication and logical operations are built from Boolean expressions. Network and internet. Boolean algebra is applied in routing decisions, firewall rules, IP filtering, artificial intelligence and decision making. Boolean logic helps in building expert systems and decision making models. Example, medical diagnosis systems use Boolean rules like control systems and automation. Used in industrial automation. Example, a motor starts only if switch 1 and switch 2 are emergency. It is commonly used in error detection and correction. Boolean algebra is the foundation of parity bits, checksums, Hamming codes, etc. used in communication systems. In short, Boolean algebra is applied electronics, programming, search engines, database, networking, AI, automations, and etc. In our real life, we use mobile phone locks and traffic light control system. Traffic signal operate using Boolean rules. Second, elevator control. Logic ensures elevator moves only if. Washing machine automation. Boolean rules decide water flow, motor rotation and heating. Example, start wash, door close and water level OK and start button. Password authentication systems. A system checks login credentials using Boolean condition. Example, access equal to username correct and password correct. If mobile phone locks pattern pin face ID. Boolean algebra decides if access should be granted. Example, unlock pin correct or face ID match. Online shopping filters. Boolean logic is used in filtering products. Example, sets price less than 1000 and brand equal to Samsung or discount greater than 20%. In railway signal control, signal depends on Boolean logic. For train safety, example, security alarms, alarm triggers only if certain Boolean conditions are met. So apart from computers, Boolean algebra is deeply applied in prefixes